Hey there. So now that you have ActiveCampaign integrated with AEvent, what we want to do is go over where you can kind of use the actions and um, features that we offer and that we can connect with ActiveCampaign with. So one of them is on registration, you can select to send off the tag list, whatever the case may be, is to trigger things into ActiveCampaign. So to find that, you want to go over into integrations. Well, first off, let me say, make sure you're in your timeline. Then you want to go over into your integrations and then find the integration that we're working with. You want to click on the cogwheel over here. It's the settings. So under here, the settings, you will find a list and add-on registration type. Okay. So you can select the list that you want to use. And then select the type. If you want to set it to trigger an automation, you'd obviously want to select that, and then it gives you the list of automations that are in your account. And you can select that automation to be able to run with. So if we were doing on-reg email, that's what you can set up here to do. So now what you can do is go from here and select any type of custom fields that you want to carry over, be it the join URL, replay URL. These ones here we've already sent over, so that's creating the system fields. If you wanted to create your own, you can select the create single field, make it the title that you want to do, and then once it's created, you activate it. Then we can go and do however we want to come through and figure out. We want to pull out names. We want the join URL. You will find in the registrant info and right here, join URL. So now that's going to get pulled over. It's there. As long as it's got a blue check mark and you selected what's underneath it, that'll get pulled over and put over into your database. If that's what you're going for, you get the webinar timestamps. There's a lot that you can go in here and do, but that's everything for the on registration. Same thing if you're going to go through and do tags. You select the tag, it goes into your account and pulls out the tags that you've created. That's going to work your automations, work your ActiveCampaign, how you're going to take care of your contacts. So once you have everything set up, this one here we have on reg. Let's see if there's a tag in here for it. We can call. We can do attendee. No, we don't want to do that. Let's just do. There's not one in here, so you create one. So let's create one. So while we're here, let's add tag. And this one here, we want to add tag. These came in on registration. On reg and create. So this custom field here, let's see here, on reg right here, select. And now everyone that came in and registered will get this tag for on reg. So you can choose what you want to go through and do on that as well. Automations, like I said, they'll trigger an automation. On reg email automation. Then you click update settings, and that takes care of when people opt in. Now, if we're building the timeline out, we have timeline actions, and we can set timeline actions up obviously anytime before. We can set the timeline actions during, and then we can also set it up for after. So we'll just take the day of the event. This process is the same, be it a day before, 5 days before, later on the same day, or afterwards. The steps are the same. So we want to go over here and click this button, create action. Now, this win time before and after is only going to be seen on the event day. Because if we go to the day before, that's before. So we have it set up to where you are not going to see that up here. Doesn't matter what you click on here, you're not going to see the before or after. And it goes in the same way as if we go down to the day after, one day after the event, and we hit create. We're not going to have that toggle that we see like we do here. Okay. So in here, we'll go for the day of the event, and we want to do a time before. Let's say we want to do 1 hour before the event. Registrant, select option. We're going to take ActiveCampaign. So now we can go into, and as well as add another tag, remove the tag. You can take this and remove the tag from your online registration like you did. So now you remove the tag from there, and that's the on reg right here. So we'll have that, and we can go and create this. So 1 hour before, we'll have that remove tag. Now what we want to do is before and do that 1 hour. And we want to add another tag, and we can do 1 hour before now. So we hit create. Now you see the tag pop up, 1 hour before, 1 hour before. So now that's going to get that tag, and then whatever that's attached to into your account will trigger what it needs to be on that side of it so you can get your messaging out. And the same thing, we'll do one for afterwards. So we'll go here, we'll do after the event, and we'll do it for 2 hours and 30 minutes. We want the attendees on this one here, and we want to add that to an automation for the attendees. And we do the attendee series. So now what's going to happen is 2.5 hours after the event of that day, everyone that attended the workshop or your webinar is going to get put into this attendee series and receive the emails that you have messaging them into that part. So the attendee series, it's something obviously that's in your ActiveCampaign account, and that's going to matter on how you have it set up. So that is all set and ready to go, and it's going down that series. So that is how to set up ActiveCampaign for on registration using your tags or automation. And the same thing, setting up your timeline actions here with ActiveCampaign using tags and using automations. If you have any questions at all, please, you can always reach out to support. You can click on this little bubble right here. You can message us directly. You can go into the help section and search and see if it's already created and get your answer a little bit quicker if need be. And then you can message us as well. So looking forward to seeing you in the other videos. Have a great day.